canopies. And one of those canopies or one parachutist will be slightly displaced as our flag bearer. So we're expecting that, but look for the formation as they immediately get together. And we have 9 good canopies. So immediately into the snake formation. One parachutist lining up behind the other, so they can immediately get into formation behind each other, behind the coach. And into our carousel manoeuvre. This is a really good one for the cameras, ladies and gentlemen. It's extremely hard manoeuvre for the teams to carry out. They are following each other very, very closely in formation under the leadership of the coach. They break out now into a saber chase. One parachute is behind the other as they identify the drop zone. And the single parachute you can see at the top is flying the red, white and blue of the Union flag. And that is Ocean Falcons, that is Flight Lieutenant Jen Littler. All the time the team are under the guidance of the team coach.
Keep yourself runway, left off the base, to the left now. Right one more time please, DZ.
Wind 260.
So as they come into land then, please give a huge round of applause for leading the team, Flight Sergeant Liam Lyons, Sergeant Sean McCabe, Sergeant Andy Lynch, Sergeant Mike Atkinson, Sergeant Gabe Coleman Moffat, Sergeant Greg Ashleby, Sergeant Owen Collins, Sergeant Marcus Shields, and last but very not least is OC Falcons Flight Lieutenant Jennifer Littler with the Union flag. So ladies and gentlemen, as the final member of the team safely touches down, please give a huge round of applause and a cheer for the